And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Well, you look at regular radar right now, it says nothing happening in our area. The snow is east and the snow is west. But if we take a closer look using dual pole, it's another product on radar, we realize there is stuff coming down. And we can use a color coding here to figure out, what the particle size is and how dense it is, and that determines, well, what is falling from the sky? Well, anything in yellow or blue, that's freezing drizzle. You start getting into the rusts and oranges, that's more snow or snow grains, and it applies to the viewing area too. Again, this is all some snow grains in the rust color. You get into blues, greens, yellows, that's some freezing drizzle coming in. And when we zoom in tighter, you can see this is all snow right over here. Again, snow grains, light freezing drizzle, and it's the same up here too. Again, it's so light, we got to use dual pole to really pick it up, and you can see there is precip coming down here. Light freezing drizzle and snow grains around Winamax, snow grains around Earl Park. This looks like some light freezing drizzle north of Kentland and around Morocco as well. But the question you might be asking, okay, how are we getting freezing drizzle with it being so cold? I mean, look at this. We're going to be 20 degrees at 9 o'clock tonight with some light snow mixed in, and then we got some freezing fog tonight, and then some freezing drizzle and snow initially early with a calm wind, and we drop down to 11. Well, we got to take the atmosphere and slice it in half like an onion and see the layers. So we've sliced the atmosphere in half in Greater Lafayette. This is the ground. This is 5,000 feet. This is about 2 miles up. And then you start getting higher and higher in the atmosphere. And I want you to notice right here the red and green line splits. And all that tells me is that this is dry air. But where do snow crystals form in the atmosphere? They form when you're saturated between -10 and -20 Celsius. And look, we're not saturated in the crystal zone. We don't have flakes. We cannot make flakes right now. So we're all saturated near the ground. So the only thing we can do with saturation near the ground and a little lift near the ground, a few thousand feet down, we can make freezing drizzle and we can make snow grains. So the drizzle's freezing into little grains, but not all of it is. Some of it is completely making it down to the ground, even though we're in the low 20s. So that snow growth zone and those temperatures, -10 to -20 Celsius, very, very important to get a flake. All right, we pick up the wind tomorrow, gusts 20 to 30 late in the day out of the southwest, 11 in the morning with some patchy freezing fog, and then mostly cloudy. Wind chills 8 to 16, 22 to 27 for highs. It's a meltdown on Wednesday and windy, mostly cloudy, strong south winds, 44 for your high temperature on Wednesday. There's Futurecast, patchy freezing drizzle, light snow grains tonight, some patchy fog. Mostly cloudy tomorrow, mostly cloudy and much warmer Thursday, and a lot of wind with some patchy drizzle and light rain late. And then we start to get rain in here on Friday, and we've got periods of rain Saturday and then even into early Sunday with warm temperatures in the 50s, and then more rain Monday, more rain on Tuesday, and more rain Wednesday before we cool off to the 30s by next Thursday. And between Thursday and next Wednesday, easily a good 1.5 to as much as 2 inches of rainfall area wide.